Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to convert an Outlook email into a PDF. This is incredibly useful when you need to save important emails for records, share them with colleagues who don't use Outlook, or simply archive conversations in a more universal format. Let's walk through this straightforward process together. First, you'll want to start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app. Once it launches, log into your account if you haven't already. This will load all your emails into the inbox, giving you access to everything you need. Take a moment to let your inbox fully load, especially if you have a large number of emails or attachments waiting to sync. Now that your emails are loaded, it's time to locate the specific email you want to convert into a PDF format. Browse through your inbox pane and find the email in question. Once you've spotted it, double-click on that email to open it in a new window. Opening it in a separate window rather than just viewing it in the preview pane is essential for accessing the full set of options you'll need for conversion. With your email now open, direct your attention to the top left part of your screen where you'll see the File tab. Click on File and a menu will expand, revealing several options for managing your email. From this menu, click on Print. This might seem a bit unexpected since we're not actually printing to paper, but this is the gateway to converting your email into a PDF. Once you're in the Print menu, you'll notice a section labeled Printer with a drop-down menu next to it. Click on that drop-down to reveal all available printer options. From this list, select Microsoft Print to PDF. This built-in feature allows you to save any document or email as a PDF file instead of sending it to a physical printer. After selecting Microsoft Print to PDF, go ahead and click on Print. Almost immediately, a File Explorer window will pop up on your screen. This window is prompting you to choose a destination folder where you'd like to save your newly converted PDF. Take a moment to navigate to the folder that makes the most sense for your needs, whether that's your Documents folder, a specific project directory, or your desktop for quick access. Once you've selected your preferred location, click on Save. Your email will now be saved as a PDF in that location, preserving all the text, formatting, and attachments in a clean, shareable format. And that's it. You've successfully converted your Outlook email into a PDF, making it easy to archive, share, or reference whenever you need. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.